We are doing an unboxing today. We've got this exciting box from Playmobil, and we're going to open it up and see what's inside. So, what do you think, girls?
It's cool.
Can we open it?
The
boxes?
Mama light,
Light Fury.
yeah,
Light Fury?
Light Fury, and then the baby Light Fury. This one's sparklier than the tiny Light Fury.
Yeah, and
Look.
then there's,
Yeah, that one's shinier.
that's because of the grown-ups. Can we open it?
We are going to unbox this
What?
How to Train Your Dragons Playmobil set with the Light Fury and the baby Night Fury. Does it have a name on the set anywhere?
Doesn't say a name.
No? Okay, so it's just set 00378.
Then here we got some fish and some baby Night Fury wings with the Night Fury bullets, a basket for the kids. Here's Light Fury wings.
What are we thinking?
The fish are different sizes. I like it. Look, there's a big fish, the long skinny fish, the tiny circular, all the
so
fish,
shiny.
and 4 fish.
And the legs move.
Wait, can I see it? The eyes aren't as sparkly as on the package.
Let me do something.
Can the tail move?
No. But look.
It could totally look like it's swimming. It has like a mermaid tail.
Woo.
Does it mouth with it? Oh yes, it does. So that it can shoot. Because like when I do that, it would shoot.
That's why they were bullets in here. It's so
It has adjustable wings like our Pegasus is on home.
Very cool. Do you guys want to put it together?
Yes.
should click in, and then when you hit the head, it should
It
shoot.
Okay, we're going to test it against the box so it doesn't fly away. Be ready to get the bullet after it. I'm going to test it on the box.
That's what it says. Pull it down and it shoots.
Oh, there we go. Okay. It's less shiny than on the box. And the fish doesn't actually go in very well.
Who cares?
These wings even actually, oh, they actually position that way, but besides that, they don't move. I like those wings better.
Any other thoughts?
That fish is very, very long.
You think it's a shark?
If only one bullet can go in at once, why are there 3?
So that you can shoot all 3 of them.
Before you have to go get them from across the room.
Yeah, they shoot very far.
What do we got here?
We have Toothless with Hiccup and a baby Light Fury. Hiccup's in a flying suit. And I can tell it's Toothless because the little tail thing.
Cool. Alright, you ready to open it up?
Mm-hmm.
Go for it, girls.
think this is what the LED thing. It's got a battery spot on it. Why is one wing in a package and one wing out? That's odd. Okay, which one has the instructions in it? This one does.
So you want to pause for a sec? You want to tell me what you found? What do we got?
Found Toothless without any spikes or wings. One wing out of a bag, one wing in a bag, with some equipment, I think, for Hiccup. And then here we actually have Hiccup and the baby Light Fury and a sword. And some hair and wings. Oh, I get it. Hiccup apparently has two different hairs. One where like you can stick it on with the helmet, and the other one where like you can not wear the helmet. Cool.
Very cool. Alright, you want to go ahead and open it?
Yeah. Hey look, there's also another tail to make it just a normal Night Fury. And then you hit the thing to shoot it.
That's what you're doing. Like, hit that.
Like, oh, yep, this one shoots easier than the Light Fury.
Next is take the baby Light Fury and put on the wings.
We put some batteries in the little light up bit. Let's see what happens when we turn it on.
Do I put it in first?
It's up to you.
I'm putting it in first.
Oh, now he lights up. Very cool. Alright, so, your thoughts?
Awesome, awesome, awesome. Light up, awesome.
That's a lot of awesome.
Cool.
What do you think about it?
Helmet head.
Oh, it's cool that he has two different types of hair to swap between helmet head and non-helmet head.
Yes, but I think this is way too bright. I can't stare at it for a long time. Like, it's better when it's off for me. I know that it's cool and it lights up, but it's very, very, very bright. I also like that you can swap the tail part so it's toothless, or normal Night Fury. After I get that in, that is. There we go. Normal Night Fury. I also like how there are two different patterns. The bottom one is stars and the top has like all these blue stripes.
Yeah, pretty cool. Does it get 2 thumbs up?
We have Fishlegs with a baby grunkle, and Fishlegs is in a flying suit.
Can you bring it a little closer so I can see the box for a sec? Because the box is small. Yeah, there we go. Very cool. Alright,
And on the back it shows like the pieces.
Can we open it?
Yeah, go for it.
We have Fishlegs. He actually has really short legs. It's different from other Playmobil dudes. It's cool.
It's literally, the instructions are 2 steps.
I was putting them together.
Sorry, it's so cute.
We need wings and the arm pieces right now.
There's many wings. 2. Now that's his antlers.
Those
I
are
can do
the
that.
antlers.
Can I put in the antlers?
Yeah, you can put that on the helmet while I stick on his wings. It looks kind of odd because he's so short. But the wings can actually angle. And then, how does that not hurt the grongle, baby? It's like covering the grongle. I need to take the wings off, maybe. Might help.
Yeah, it does say to put that on first.
That doesn't. Look.
Yeah?
Yeah, and then there. The wings are already
Oh.
put on by now.
I'm seeing it backwards. So it looks different.
Upside down.
Mm-hmm.
This is a very odd
He
helmet.
looks like a gongle.
Well, Toothless looked like a Night Fury. What noise was that supposed to be?
All right, Gigi, what do you think of this guy?
Awesome. Baby gongle.
Does it look like Fishlegs?
No, I'm not used to seeing him with armor.
Yeah, Fishlegs is like really gentle in the show and that, and it's odd seeing him in armor.
Except for the size is proper. The size is proper.
The legs are actually short, and the baby gronkle's cute, and I like that the wings can change, like move a bit. Why don't we have Snotlout? Or Astrid? Or no, that's a
We already have
dragon.
Astrid.
Isn't it? Like
No,
Astrid.
Astrid's the
Okay,
girl.
good.
We already have
Yeah,
Astrid.
Stormfly's the
Because you already own Astrid.
Mm-hmm.
But still,
We still need Snotlout.
and his dragon.